Looking for the perfect tool to enhance your electronics repair work? Whether you're soldering circuit boards, inspecting coins, or diving into detailed observation, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital microscopes for electronics repair. Number 5 on our list is the Hideal HM10 digital microscope for electronics repair. The Hideal HM10 digital microscope stands out as a versatile and powerful tool designed for electronics repair, coin collecting, watch maintenance, and detailed observation across a variety of fields. Equipped with a vivid 10.1-inch IPS screen, it offers a wide 178-degree viewing angle and sharp 16-megapixel UHD resolution, ensuring clear and bright images from virtually any perspective. This large display allows users to comfortably view intricate details without straining their eyes. One of the microscope's most notable features is its impressive zoom range, spanning from 5x to 1200x magnification. This enables users to explore minute textures and fine details in objects such as coins, solder joints, watches, plants, and even diamonds with remarkable clarity. The zoom capability makes it an invaluable companion for precision work, enhancing the ability to inspect and analyze small components with confidence. The Hideal HM10 supports real-time USB output, allowing seamless connection to a computer. This expands the viewing experience onto a larger screen for enhanced examination, making tasks more efficient and detailed. The device also simplifies documentation through one-touch photo capture and video recording with built-in support for a 32GB SD card, providing ample space to save and share discoveries effortlessly. User convenience is further enhanced by a wireless remote control, which minimizes disturbance during observation by reducing screen shake and sample movement. This makes capturing photos and videos smooth and accurate. The microscope's upgraded 12.6-inch stand and generous 7x8-inch base offer a stable and spacious workspace ideal for soldering and observing larger objects without restriction. Lighting is meticulously designed with 10 LEDs, including 8 adjustable lights around the lens and 2 flexible gooseneck side lights. Both upper and lower illumination can be independently controlled for brightness, ensuring optimal visibility regardless of environmental lighting conditions. With photo resolutions up to 16 MP and full HD video recording capabilities, the Hideal HM10 delivers excellent image quality. Its intuitive interface, easy focus adjustment, and comprehensive manual make it accessible for users of all ages and skill levels. This digital microscope is a practical and engaging tool for hobbyists, professionals, educators, and anyone fascinated by the microscopic world, offering broad application potential from electronics to natural sciences. Number 4 is the Leipan MS1 digital microscope for electronics repair. The Leipan MS1 digital microscope, released in 2022, is a specialized tool designed for electronics repair and detailed observation. Featuring a large 7-inch LCD screen, it offers 30% more field of view compared to other microscopes of the same size. This expanded view enhances efficiency, allowing users to see more at once without constantly adjusting the device. The screen also rotates 90 degrees, providing flexible viewing angles tailored to various tasks and needs. One of the key features of the Leipan MS1 is its versatile connectivity options. It supports HDMI output, enabling users to connect the microscope directly to a TV or monitor for a larger and high-resolution live display. The USB port allows connection to Windows and Mac computers, working seamlessly with default apps like Windows Camera and Mac's Photo Booth, making it easier to examine tiny details with familiar software. The microscope comes with an 8-inch stand, which is notably taller than many other models. This design allows the lens to be positioned up to 6.5 inches from the base, double the height of typical stands, giving a wider perspective for observation. With a viewing diameter of up to 30 millimeters, the microscope can easily capture the entirety of coins or other larger objects without requiring extra accessories. Offering a broad zoom range from 2x to 1500x, the Leipan MS1 allows continuous zoom adjustment to reveal intricate details in the microscopic world. This makes it particularly useful for applications like coin inspection or precise soldering work, where both wide views and fine detail are essential. Equipped with a 12-megapixel UHD image sensor, the microscope delivers high-quality images and videos in real time. It includes a 32GB microSD card for ample storage, capable of holding up to 18 million images and Full HD 1080p video recordings, enabling users to document their work thoroughly. This combination of features makes the Leipan MS1 a powerful and versatile tool for electronics repair and detailed observation tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope for electronics repair. The Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and enthusiasts in electronics repair, numismatics, biology, and other fields requiring detailed magnification. Featuring a unique triple lens system with a rotating barrel, the microscope allows users to seamlessly switch between 3 powerful lenses, each tailored to different tasks. The 1000x coin lens provides a magnification range from 2x to 1000x, making it an excellent choice for examining error coins and fine details in numismatic collections. The 1500x soldering lens, with a magnification range of 10x to 1500x, is specially designed for precise tasks like watch repair and soldering, offering a stable and spacious workspace thanks to its longer bracket and larger base. For biological studies, the advanced 2500X lens delivers magnification from 2000x to 2500x, ideal for exploring microscopic details on slides, supporting hobbyists, students, and researchers alike. Equipped with a 10.1-inch IPS screen, the Tomlov Tril110 offers vivid images with 24MP photo quality and 2K video resolution, providing a wide 178-degree viewing angle that captures every detail with remarkable clarity. The microscope supports real-time HDMI and USB output, enabling connection to larger screens for presentations or collaborative viewing. Lighting plays a crucial role in microscopy, and this model includes a comprehensive system of 12 built-in LED lights, 2 adjustable gooseneck side lights, and a bottom slide light. Each lighting source is independently dimmable and rechargeable, ensuring clear observation even under challenging lighting conditions. The device supports one-button photo capture and video recording with a generous 64GB SD card included for storage. Its tall 12.6-inch stand and wide 7x8-inch base create a stable platform suitable for various objects, from small coins to intricate soldering projects. Additionally, a wireless remote control enhances user convenience by allowing adjustments and captures without disturbing the sample or causing screen shaking. Overall, the Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope combines advanced optical capabilities, flexible operation, and robust features to deliver a comprehensive magnification experience suitable for a wide range of detailed inspection tasks. Number 2 is the Andonstar AD249S-M digital microscope for electronics repair. The Andonstar AD249S-M digital microscope is a versatile and advanced tool designed for electronics repair and a wide range of observational needs. Featuring 3 interchangeable lenses, this microscope caters to different purposes. Lens L is specialized for soldering and repairing circuit boards or mobile phones. Lens A is ideal for examining whole coins, plants, or stones, while Lens D is tailored for viewing biological slides. This multi-lens system allows users from hobbyists to professionals to switch effortlessly between applications. Equipped with ultra-high-definition 2160p video recording and HDMI output, the Microscope delivers crystal-clear visuals on larger screens, reducing eye strain during extended use. The upgraded professional boom arm stand provides a sturdy, adjustable support system, allowing precise positioning and stability even in high-temperature environments like soldering workstations. This all-purpose microscope supports magnifications up to 2000x through a combination of optical zoom and a 3x digital zoom feature. Each lens offers a specific zoom range suitable for different tasks, from detailed electronic repairs to biological observations. Users can easily focus by rotating the focusing wheel and adjust the bracket to set the ideal viewing distance. A professional measurement software package is available for Windows PCs, enabling accurate length and area measurements, photo capturing, and video recording. This feature makes the Microscope valuable for detailed inspection and documentation tasks. The device includes adjustable LED lighting with 8 brightness levels, ensuring clear image visibility under various conditions. Additionally, the wireless remote control allows convenient operation from a distance, supporting zoom and image discoloration functions, which are especially useful for teaching or demonstration settings. Photos and videos can be recorded and stored easily using the included micro SD card, making it simple to document and review microscopic details. The Andonstar AD249S-M digital microscope blends advanced optics, flexible functionality, and user-friendly features to meet diverse needs in repair, education, and hobbyist exploration. And finally, our number one pick is the Elikliv EM4K digital microscope for electronics repair. The Elikliv EM4K digital microscope sets a new standard for precision and clarity in electronics repair and detailed inspection tasks. Featuring revolutionary 4K UHD video capabilities and a stunning 52MP imaging sensor, this microscope delivers crystal-clear visuals on its 1280 by 800p IPS screen. Whether you're a professional soldering expert, a coin collector, or involved in intricate microassembly, the M4K offers unmatched image quality for examining the tiniest details. At the heart of this device lies an advanced sensor that enhances image accuracy by 30%, making it especially suitable for applications requiring high precision like coin grading and electronics repair. The white color gamut supports 100% sRGB, 99% ROGB, 400 HDR, and 99% NTSC, providing vibrant, true-to-life colors and rich detail in every observation. This ensures that even the subtlest variations on coins or solder joints are clearly visible. The Microscope is equipped with HDMI and USB outputs, enabling simultaneous display across multiple screens and larger monitors, ideal for collaborative work environments such as labs, classrooms, or factories. Its zoom range extends from 2x to an impressive 2000x, allowing users to focus on anything from delicate PCBs to gemstones with remarkable clarity. Portability is a key feature thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery, which removes the limitations of power cords and allows for use in diverse locations. The sturdy 10-inch adjustable stand with an extendable base up to 6.3 inches provides ample space for various objects, making it perfect for capturing entire coins or performing detailed soldering tasks with ease. Control and usability are enhanced by an included smart remote controller, allowing effortless photo capture, video recording, and smooth zoom adjustments without disturbing the microscope's position. Its ergonomic design supports comfortable height and angle adjustments, reducing fatigue during extended use and improving focus and productivity. Overall, the Elikliv EM4K digital microscope blends advanced imaging technology with practical design features to offer a powerful tool for professionals and hobbyists alike who demand precision and vivid detail in their micro inspections.